Tesla Model S Plaid outfitted for police use. Tesla's electric vehicles (EVs) have been rolling out as police cruisers over the past few years, though the company's Model S Plaid has only recently received its first build-out for such a use case. During day one of SEMA on Tuesday, Tesla mod kit manufacturer Unplugged Performance unveiled its latest police cruiser build-out for the Model S Plaid, which is considered the world's quickest accelerating production car. While Unplugged Performance is up, Fit Division has already deployed other police vehicle builds for Tesla's Model Y, Model 3, and Cybertruck. This is the first we've seen of a Model S Plaid outfitted by the company. Tesla says its standard tech can save police departments $4,000. According to Tesla, the Model S Plaid has a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration of just 1.99 seconds, a top speed of 200 miles per hour, and a range of 359 miles. Many have also set world records with the Model S Plaid in the 0 to 60 and quarter-mile acceleration runs, including one driver who clinched an impressive 8.56-second quarter-mile time in July. Unplugged Performance has deployed several Model Y and Model 3 units outfitted for service on U.S. police forces over the last few years, though this is the first time the company has built a specific police cruiser kit for the Model S Plaid. Earlier this year, the company also unveiled its design for a copped-out Cybertruck, and it has already deployed the Cybertruck to multiple U.S. police departments. Along with offering modifications for police and other government fleet vehicles, Unplugged Performance has also become well known for its racing arm. In particular, many are familiar with the manufacturer's work on racer Randy Post's Model S Plaid, dubbed Dark Helmet, which has been used in the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb for multiple years now. Anaheim PD launches pilot for Tesla Model Y LR police cruisers. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.